Hey, what's up guys? In this video I will show the list of most powerful transport aircraft from different countries. So don't forget like, subscribe and comment. This video only for educational and informative purpose only, not inspire for conflicts. Enjoy your video. Ukraine AN-70, Poland C-130 Hercules, Spain A400M Atlas, Singapore A400M Atlas, South Africa A400M Atlas, Egypt C-130 Hercules, United Arab Emirates A400M Atlas, Saudi Arabia C-130 Hercules, Israel C-130 Hercules, Australia C-17 Globemaster III, Canada CC-177 Globemaster III, Italy C-130J Hercules, Brazil KC-390, South Korea C-130 Hercules, Japan C-2, Germany A400M Atlas, Pakistan IL-76, Turkey A400M Atlas, France A400M Atlas, United Kingdom A400M Atlas, India C-17 Globemaster III, China Y-20, Russia IL-76, United States of America C-17 Globemaster III. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget like, subscribe and comment. This video only for educational and informative purpose only, not inspire for conflicts. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.